What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to talk to you guys about why using your daily moving averages can definitely benefit you in terms of bias, in terms of stop losses, in terms of using them for targets to take profits. So if we focus on the right hand side of the screen, okay, we're looking at a 5-minute time frame. Today is July the 8th. And the reason we are going to focus on this chart is because it's fresh. It's happening right now live in real time. It's currently 8:30 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. And I thought it would be a good time to kind of go over this so we can identify why the daily moving averages are important and how we can utilize them to scalp and make some profits. So if we kind of look at today's price action, there's a few things on my chart. One being a 20 SMA, 2 being a VWAP, 3 being this daily 5 SMA, and then previous day high, previous day low, and then a daily 10 SMA. What this does is it gives me channels, it gives me areas that I can work with, and depending on what the price action is doing, I can try to align myself with the momentum. So off the open, we had a nice big red candle followed by a back test into the VWAP and the 20 SMA, which would be overhanging our current price action. So it would be acting as supply, gets rejected and trades down into the daily 5. Now, once we lose the daily 5, it quickly puts in a hammer candle, reclaims it, and then has a strong push to the upside. So you can use this daily 5 as an area to look for opportunities to bounce the market. And what you would be looking for is what I call inside of Evolution Traders a remount. So that is when you lose a specific area, typically a previous day high or low, a London high or low, a daily moving average. When you lose that area, and then quickly remount it by having price action close back above it. So this remount would have started at 725. You wait for it to break and close below. You wait for a following candle to get the bounce. And then your entry candle is getting in on the confirmation of the remount candle. Okay. Your stop loss can be put down at the bottom wick here. In this particular scenario, you would be risking 27 points. You can take profits in one of 3 different ways, in my opinion. You can look for quick scalps, 5, 10, 15 points. You can keep it very mechanical. You can look for half of the range that you're giving up. So if you're giving up 27 points, maybe you're looking for 12 to 14 points, okay? 11 to 12 points. You can definitely look for a 1-to-1. Again, the bigger price targets you have, the less probabilities of a higher win rate that you're going to have. I like to keep mine, something between 8 to 12 points a lot of the times. Keep that in confluence with your 5-minute ATR. You could also target supply zones. So you can target the 20 SMA, you can target the VWAP, and this was a nice bounce. Now, let's look at it from the flip side. Once we kind of reclaimed the 20 and the VWAP, price kind of stagnated and stalled underneath the previous pre-market swing low. So automatically, once this move started to push back down, we have to look and tell ourselves, okay, we are now making lower highs. If this loses, and again, for those of you guys who have been following and inside Evolution Traders for a while, you guys are pretty familiar and confident with 20 SMA plays. There's a 20 SMA play at 7:45 Pacific Standard Time. The range was 43 points. Your 20 SMA was sitting about 15 points ish. So you could have given up 15 to 20 points on this particular move, getting into the trade once you confirm, right, the candle that closed below the 20 SMA. And here's where that daily 5 comes into play, because you can use it now as a target. You've bounced off it once, you came down, swept it, and bounced off it twice. Perfect area to get in below 22,885 and sell into 865. So this is 20 points that you could have tried to capture. Again, keep in mind, you don't always have to try to capture all of it. You can definitely try to go for a little bit of it. But this is why using this daily 5 And also your daily 10 is going to be so critical, because not only did it give you a spot to bounce, it also gives you a target to short back into. Here's another remount where you could definitely take this for another little scalp, and here's a 20 SMA play that goes right back into the range. So today hasn't been the most ideal price action if you're looking for ongoing same direction moves all day. It's kind of just stuck in a range, chopping back and forth, but you can use this area, this daily 5, as a perfect opportunity to look for those targets for shorts, to look for those areas of opportunities to bounce. And it's also setting up something beautiful here, because now we've got 1, 2, 3 wicks below the daily 5. If and when we do lose the low below 22,841, we can definitely scalp this short for continuation into a prior day low. So I hope this helps you guys. Again, if you want to join Evolution Traders, I have one space available left for July. You can definitely jump in there and get some more education, along with some live trading and intraday commentary. Also, Apex is 80% off sale is going to be ending today. You can use code DAnthony. I will see all of you guys on the next video. Guys, make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video. It charges you nothing. It's free to do. Do it out of the kindness of your heart. It helps myself out in terms of spreading this video more in the YouTube algorithm. So make sure you guys are always consistently smashing that like button every time you guys watch my video, and I will see you guys on the next one.